If you use Octane in Blender, this is for you. Most artists waste hours modeling random greebles and kitbashing pieces just to make their scene look full. But here's the thing, Pixel Lab just released a free kitbashing asset specially designed for Blender Octane. This means no converting, no shader weirdness, just drag, drop, and render. I've tested myself and everything works out right out of the box. Clean geometry, proper Octane materials, no setup time. In this video, I'm going to show you what's inside the pack, how to download it, and why it might be the most useful free grab of this month. First, how to get it. Go to Pixel Lab's website, click on the freebies tabs, drop in your email, and they'll send it to you directly. That's it. Let me show you what you actually get. You'll get a collection of sci-fi and industrial kitbashing parts, things like walls, pipes, floors, and all those little details that 10x your renders. The real win is they're textured with Octane materials. I'm talking like actual Octane nodes set up, not just generic materials that you need to fix later. Watch this. I'm gonna drag this one file into my Blender Octane scene. See that? No tweaks, no extra work. This is how asset packs should be built. But check it out. Here's a pro tip. I always go in and I tweak these materials for my liking. Don't get me wrong, they give you materials that get you set up and get you ready to go. But here's the thing, I just want to go in and dial in those little 1% of details that really start to add up. I'm gonna give you one tip right here that you can do for edge wear on these dirt nodes to just really make them have a little bit more edgy and a little bit more grungy. In the material, if there's a dirt node, plug a noise texture into the radius map of that dirt node, boom. Watch the edges go from boring edges to an edge that has a story to tell. But here's what really surprised me even more. As I was scrolling through my Instagram, I saw Pixel Lab also dropped a set of 12 free Blender Octane materials that are actually high quality and they're free. You know, not some low effort placeholder, but real material, stuff like metals, some glass procedures, and actually a couple of procedurals, all of that, drag and drop and ready to go. Let me show you what's inside. Nice big fat pimple right there. Yeah, I gotta love it.